Magic, black girl magic. Magic, black girl magic. We can do anything, anything, anything with this magic, black girl magic.
Pedal to the metal as I'm speeding down the highway, plotting, scheming, thinking if things really went our way. That black woman angry, she crazy, man, she insane. Thinking nothing phrases got me swerving out my lane. I had to bounce back, then focus and check my mirror. Caught a glimpse of our past and suddenly became clearer that it's a silent code left untold. But Lord knows, like gold, baby, we bend but don't fold. Let me park the car, take a quick intermission. I pop the hood on them, I'm checking the transmission to see what they transmitting. Blurry in your dreams, black girls lost, nah, misinformed queens. Definition of radiant, skin filled with melanin, so blacker than the seed in the center of watermelons. Defeating all lies, they ain't showing when we prevailing. So not for sale, middle finger to what they telling.
Magic, black girl magic. Magic, black girl magic. We can do anything, anything, anything with this magic, black girl magic.
They shot Keisha, Michael, and Marquin dead, simply for sleeping in their car, straight what they said. Couldn't speak for theyself, did they plead or did they beg? Hands up, don't matter, you still get two to the head. Better say they name, gotta say they name. And I hope you feel the shame for not really praying for change. But black women gon' hold it down, we really heal shit. Even if they break us down, we gon' rebuild it.
Magic, black girl magic. Magic, black girl magic. We can do anything, anything, anything with this magic, black girl magic.
Black women are trippy, our hair is trippy, our skin is trippy, our smile is trippy, our hips is trippy, the way we wear pain is trippy, the weight we carry is trippy. Uninvitedly, they rob the backs of us for free trips. These rides ain't free. Kendrick Lamar voice, matter of fact, they ain't never been free.